Hey YouTube, we're working on Greg's 95 Saleen Mustang here, and we thought he blew the motor up completely, but it seems like he just broke a rocker bolt over here. And now we have to figure out how to fix it, because we got to get that bolt out of the head, and I really don't feel like taking the head all apart. But I'm having one of my buddies come over who's a top-notch mechanic, Dino. I don't know if he's ever been in any of our videos before. He's going to try to come out and just drill that out for me with an easy out, so we can get just basically another bolt and put this thing back together, because we originally thought he spun the bearing on it, but then Bill and I came out here. I had never heard the car run, and it wasn't consistent, and it was just banging around. So I wait for the motorcycle to run. So we felt the valve cover, and we could feel something banging around, so we thought maybe it was a dropped valve. Well, we were close. Broken rocker. So
and that's actually where it was hitting the valve cover. Actually gouged it in.
Basically, the bolt snapped. We were able to get the valve and the keeper and all that out, or the arm for the rocker. So that's good. So if we get the bolt out, we can just bolt it back in and onward, upward.
So right now my dad is putting on the new vacuum line, right?
Yeah. I'm trying to get it to fit. I'm not ripping it.
Just cut it to size, and it's just a smooth on there.
I got that on. Okay, so I don't know if Greg told you on camera, Dino came over. He took an easy out to that. What we had to do is we put a punch in the center. Then he had this basically tool for his easy out, which did a center drill on it. It was almost just like a little tube. He fit to the outside of the hole, and then was able to drill it out straight through. And then we took a easy out, drilled it out, and then easy out. It actually wasn't that easy. We had to go 2 sizes up on the easy out. From there, once we got the thread out, we just basically put it all back together, and we're pretty much ready to go now, other than to torque the intake back down.
Off already?
I didn't hear it. You do it. I don't know how yours works.
It's just a snap. It's a click.
I know, it didn't hear it click.
You might have clicked.
You got that only down at 18 pounds?
17.
Seems like that's awful hard.
Let's put it on something else.
So on film you heard something snapped, and it sounded like we broke the bolt. We did not. We actually broke Bill's torque wrench. Bolt's not broken, didn't come up at all. So although we thought we did, and we didn't. So we were lucky with that one. Everything went back together, and Greg's lucky I don't kill him, because I thought he blew the bottom end of the car up. I don't know why that bolt broke. No reason. It just could have been a lousy bolt. Someone over torqued and it just let go. What are you gonna do? Happens, but it was a quick, easy fix, and I'm glad it worked out for us.
Let's hope it doesn't blow.
Got it on?
Yeah.
Well, obviously it wasn't a bottom end like they thought. Falling down.
Put the hood down, let things move around. You got stuff on the top.
Gotta reset it, Phil. So, it's another broken big boy toy fixed.
Sounds like it.
It's running. So,
Not clanging.
it's not clanging. It's not throwing a rocker all around. So, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Give us a big thumbs up.
Thanks for watching.
I might have pulled it.